Ready for orientation? I'm going to show you how to use Guidebook, the mobile app that TCU will be using for new student orientation. First, you are going to search for Guidebook in the App Store on your mobile device. Once you find Guidebook in the App Store, feel free to download it. It's a free app. Once you've downloaded Guidebook, go to Find Guides at the bottom middle of your screen and search for TCU New Student and Family Programs. You will see the Guidebook for New Student Orientation pop up. Tap on it and download the guide for easy access. Once you open the guide, you can access general information about new student orientation. Click the 3 white bars at the top left corner to open the main menu. In the Schedule tab, you will notice there are 2 choices, First Year and Transfer Schedule. Select the one based on your orientation. Then you will see Student Schedule and Guest Schedule. Click on your track to see all the events available to you at orientation. From there, you can view each event's times, locations, and details. If you don't see anything listed, search for your orientation date in the calendar, and then you will find your orientation schedule. The orientation schedule is divided into student and guest schedules. Please make sure you are viewing the correct schedule. You can also access the campus map at any time for your convenience. Additionally, you'll get to know your orientation leaders, learn about their majors, and see where they're from. You'll also find frequently asked questions and their answers and information to help you prepare before and after orientation. Guidebook includes important details about Frog Camp and Frog's first schedule. You can check dates, times, and locations for these events to make the most of your transition experience when you return in August. Be sure to check out the photos and social media pages for fun photos and updates before and during orientation. We're so excited to see you. Enjoy exploring the app. If you have any questions about Guidebook or new student orientation, feel free to email orientation@tcu.edu. We'll see you soon.